I'm Chris Hamans from ESC, European Sustainability Consulting. In this video I give some background for a better understanding of the scope and content of the sustainability assessment of the building. The CEN TC350 standards form a suite of European standards based on a life cycle approach. The sustainability assessment quantifies impacts and aspects to assess the environmental, social and economic performance of buildings. The assessment uses quantitative and qualitative indicators, both of which are measured without value judgment. The purpose of this suite of standards is to enable comparability of the same assessment results of different buildings or of different building designs and solutions. But first this: if a building does not meet the needs for use, then the building and all products and materials in the building envelope and inside the building cannot be sustainable. Sustainability has to start with fulfilling the basic work requirements. The European Construction Product Regulation 305/2011 defines 7 basic work requirements. If, for example, the first basic work requirement, mechanical resistance and stability, is not fulfilled, the building collapses or deformations hinder the functioning of the activities in the building. And then all products used in the building construction and inside the building interior simply are not given time to prove their sustainability. If the building or part of the building, for example, catches fire because basic work requirement number 2, safety in case of fire, is not fulfilled, all sustainability efforts made for the building and with the products become worthless. Even these charming buildings seem to be perceived as sustainable now. People live in these buildings already a few hundred years. Yes, they were renovated and refurbished quite a few times. But how long can we go on with adapting such buildings in order to meet the future needs for living in it? Technically, for instance, the building envelope will not cause big problems, but will the future building user be satisfied with the building volume? The functional performance of such a building has its limitations, unless we have innovative solutions for what is needed behind such nice facades. So, sustainability starts with the basic work requirements, with a good functional and technical design and good construction. But once the functional and technical design is made and realized, this has an impact on the environment, on the society and on our economics. Sustainability is based on the solutions for meeting the functional and technical needs, and it is measured in 3 dimensions: environmental performance, social performance and economic performance, the 3 columns of this Greek temple. The CEN TC350 standards allow measuring on these 3 dimensions of sustainability. The standards do not define what is sustainable and what not. They do not classify or give ratings. They only quantify. This is the structure of the standardization program. The figure shows how the standards are grouped and deal with environmental aspects, social and economic aspects. The functional performance and the consequences of the technical solutions can be measured on these 3 categories of aspects. See also CEN TC350 video number 4 for more information on the positioning of the building assessment and other sustainability assessments. I'm Hamans and welcome your response.